Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel are in Dublin. My plan for today is visit Kildare village. I wasn't there for quite long, and also I want to buy some shoes, very comfortable, very nice shoes. It will be black leather, will be the best option, but also with a really good price. And Kildare village is the place where you can have stuff like that in a 90% discount. Maybe I will be lucky and I can have something really good, because my shoes last few days kill completely my feet. I have a difficult to walk and I really need to buy something good, nice and comfortable. Let's go to Kildare village. Let's see how it looks like after lockdown. It's like 3-4 months. I know you need to book the place. I booked the place. I booked the car park. Can be maximum 200 people on the same time in Kildare village. My booking is for 3:30. Let's go and let's see how the Kildare looks now. I'm in Kildare village already. It's very windy here, very windy. Jesus. In Dublin was 24 degrees, in not wind at all, and here I feel like I will fly. I'm afraid we'll be very busy here because car park, we are on a car park for pre-booking customer, but the regular car park is completely full. I think we'll be very busy. I expect all Kildare village will be empty, but not today. during the shopping in Kildare village, and I'm in the place where before was La Pan Quotidien, my favorite vegan food. The chili sin carne was always amazing. Hopefully it's enough clear to hear me from the mask. And fortunately it's not here anymore, but it's a really nice coffee shop. I will get some scone and coffee. Today my trip to Kildare village and my shopping in Kildare village is finished. Now slowly I'm going to the car. Just we need to wait because some people around me. I spent a really nice time and it was really cool. It was actually more busier than I expect because it's actually no social distance there. Yeah, you're waiting for the shop, you need waiting list, but everywhere else everybody just accumulating and waiting close to each other, what actually was strange, but definitely not so busy like before in Kildare village. Here was always super busy. Now slowly I will back home, and it's getting really cold. I can't wait actually to get some warmer clothes on me and put some air conditioning because it's really cold today. Thank you very much for watching me. Hope you enjoyed the Kildare village, and see you in another vlog.